Excel, I'm going to visualize this data that I have made myself in the spreadsheet and using my code Python, alright? So first, I'm going to start by using the library that I have made right here, so I can organize my code and know what to do. We got the NumPy, which uses the numbers on the code. We got the panels, which also uses the data frame. We got the Pythonplot and the Seaborn, which also helped me in visualizing the data. My code, my data info was gained in an Excel sheet, and my data head is printed in 5 rows and 5 columns. As you can see here, the information of my data that I have earned right here is, I'm going to use, all of this information, which is 15 columns, and I'm going to explain it right now. So I got the number, which is in the data type of it is an integer. I got the name, which is also an object. I got the last name, which is also an object, and the start date, it's a data time. The manual is a float, and the unpaid leave is an integer. I also got the check is null values, which also helped me if I got anything, like zeros, numbers, and clear out my data if there's anything wrong in it. Like if there's duplicates in it, if there are multiple useless information I don't need to explain, and so on. As you can see here, these are my statistical information that I can use and explain right here. I got the count, the start date, the years, the monthly salary, the mean, the minimum, the 25%, the 50%, the 75%, the maximum, and the Now I can also go to visualization. Now you might ask why did I use visualization? I use visualization so I can make people and I see the information that I learned and show it and understand it in a simpler manner instead of looking into a big pile of code that I can't understand. So I'm going to use this code right here. I put my column and then I should visualize my data. Now after using my code, in Python, I use Power API to put it in a spreadsheet. As you can see here, the employees by center, the gender of my employees, the number of employees, the center by country, and the number of employees by years. Now, why did I do all of this? Why did I get the data and I visualized all of the data in my company? The reason I did that, because maybe I wanted to know the monthly salary of my employees, and I needed to know that how much money or how much they should be earning each year, month or day. And the same thing goes to the number of my employees, that I know if someone is absent, someone is not absent, I know if someone attended, someone is late, someone is sick, something like that. I also can tell the number of employees and how many have gone into the company in years. And I also can tell their gender, I can tell and where they live. I also can tell the number of employees, like which employees are working manufacturing the items, which employees are working in the quality, which employees are working in the annual salary. And that's it.